Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Firdaus Zulkifli. So I'm from 3DKP A. So today I would like to present my math assignment. So I do this with my team's members, which is Ashraf Abi Wahab, Shazir Irwan, and also Ahmad Syamil.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Syamil. Now I want to talk about acknowledgement. First of all, we would like to praise to Allah for giving us the strength, and because of His blessing, we finally managed to accomplish this assignment. This assignment cannot complete without effort and cooperation from our group member, which consists of Muhammad Ashraf bin Abdul Wahab, Muhammad Firdaus bin Zulkifli, Muhammad Shazri Irwan bin Muhammad Kasimi, and also me is Ahmad Syamil bin Kamil Zaman, who always work hard to produce a good assignment with full of commitment and responsibility. Therefore, we would like to appreciate with thanks to our lecturer, Madam Hashimah binti Hashim, who guide us during class. Without him, our assignment cannot be done properly like this. She always give us support and opinion on to our assignment in purpose to produce a good outcome. Last but not least, we would like to express our thankfulness to an honorable mention goes to our classmate for the support and willingness to spend some time with us.
For introduction, for this project, we want to introduce about average study hour per week. For student and educator rely heavily on the average number of study hours per week. Effective study habits can have a significant impact on academic performance. However, the amount of time spent studying varies greatly between individuals. This variability is influenced by such as course difficulty, personal learning style, and extracurricular activities. Examining every study allows students to gain insight into the best study practice in order to identify trends in study behavior and develop strategies to improve learning outcomes. This research not only helps students to manage their times more effectively, but it also helps educator planning about curriculum activities for that student can success in any subject.
For objective, the purpose of this assignment is to use to analyze student study habit by collecting data on their weekly study hours and calculating statistical measures such as mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation in Excel. This analysis will include the creation of a histogram to illustrate the distribution of study hours based on the finding. The goal is to make actionable.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, my name is Muhammad Ashraf. Okay, today I will continue with a histogram. Okay, based on 33 respondents that answer in Google Form that we create on average, how many hours do you spend studying per week? So what we can see here, 1 hours to 5 hours, respondent answer 17 respondent. 6 hours to 10 hours, 11 respondent, and 11 hours to 15 hours, 4 respondent, and last 60 hours to 20 hours, 1 respondent. Calculation for mean. Okay, so what we can see here, the formula for mean is summation fx divided by summation f. So based on the table, summation fx is 209 and summation f is 33. So just put in the formula. So 209 divided by 33. So we get the answer is 6.333. Calculation for median. So we know is a median formula is LB is a lower boundary plus width C. C is a class width, and N divided by 2 minus FB frequency before divided by FM is a frequency median. So first we must to find where is the median class. So how to get the median class? So overall all respondent divided by 2, so 33 divided by 2 we get 16.5. So 16.5 is a median, so we can know where is a median class. So 16.5 is there, is at 70 respondent, so median class is 1 to 5 hours. So so after we get the median class, so we must find the lower boundary. So lower boundary is 1 minus 0. Okay, why? Because lower boundary is equal, lower boundary equal upper class lower class minus with upper class before. So we get 1 minus 0 divided by 2, so we get the lower boundary is 0.5. So okay, after that we must find the C. C is class width. So how to get the class width? First we must to count from the class median, so 1 to 5. So we count first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Class width is 5. Then n over 2 is the median. So we get before 16.5. So minus with FB. FB is frequency before. So frequency before 17 is 0. So n divided by 2 minus 0 divided by FM. FM is frequency median. So frequency median is 17. So we put it in the formula. So LB 0.5 plus with 5 class width, and then in the kurungan. So 16.5 minus FB is 0. Okay, 60.5 minus 0, and then divide by frequency median is 17. So we get the answer is 5.3529. Calculation for mode. Okay, we know the mode formula is L plus bracket L divided by L plus U bracket multiplied by C. So L is same, the lower boundary, and then plus L. L here is a L here is a frequency for mode, minus frequency before. So L here is 17 for frequency mode, and then frequency before is 0. So 17 minus 0, so we get L. And then U is frequency mode, we minus with frequency after. So the frequency after is 11. So 17 minus 11 we get U. So 17 plus 11 we get 6. So U is 6. Then C is same, class width. So what I said before is C is class width is 5. So use the same, and then just put in the formula. So L is a lower boundary is 0.5, and then plus bracket, okay, L is 17, we got 17 minus 0, okay, 17 divide by 17 plus 6, because U is 6, okay, close bracket, and then we multiply with C, C is 5, so we get the answer is 4.1956. So next, how to calculation for variance. So formula for variance is summation fx square, okay, divide by summation f minus summation fx divide by summation f. What we can get here, summation fx divide by summation f is same with mean. So the answer for mean we can use to put in the bracket. Okay, and then power of 2. So summation fx square, so refer for the table is 1857, and then divide by summation f is 33, okay, then minus, so we use the mean we get before, so mean is 6.333, so summation 1857 divided by 33 minus with 6.333 power of 2, so we get the answer is 16.1616. For last, calculation for standard deviation, this is easy, so we continue with the variance calculation. So here the standard deviation formula is square root the variance, so just square root the answer from variance. So variance we get 16.1616, so square root 16.1616 we get 4.0201. So that's all for me. Thank you.
So for the last one, which is the conclusion. So in conclusion, according to study habit statistic, a majority of students, 85%, study for less than 10 hours per week, with 70 studying between 1 to 5 hours and 11 studying 5 to 10 hours. This shows that many students prefer shorter study session or have a schedule that allows for a little committed study time while balancing other activities and academic commitments. Around 15 of students engage in more intensive study routine, with 4 students between 10 to 20 hours and 1 studying more than 20 hours each week. These small groups may include students with a great amount of coursework, advanced courses, or individual studying for exam or more specific academic goals. According to the result, accurate study habits are rare, and the majority of students prefer a more moderate approach to learning. Given that the majority of students are on the lower end of the study hours range, there may be potential to encourage slightly longer study periods, particularly for those who want to enhance their academic performance. Increased study hours, if distributed appropriately, may help certain students gain greater understanding for their courses. Overall, the study shows a tendency of shorter study periods, with only a few students committing meaningful time to academic pursuit each week.
I will explain about the recommendation. First, study time allocation. Dedicate 15 to 25 hours per week for concentrate study outside of class. Then increase to 25 to 35 hours per week for particularly challenging course. Second, chunking study session. Break study time into 2 to 3 hour sessions with short breaks. This approach helps maintain focus and prevent burnout. Then, active learning technique. Use flashcards and self-quizzes for better retention. Summarize concepts in your own words. Engage in discussion with peers to reinforce understanding. Then, HNC comprehension. Create summary sheets to condense important information. Teach the material to someone else to ensure a deeper grasp of the content. Lastly, consistent study routine. Build a regular study schedule to on top of coursework. This reduces exam stress and boosts academic performance throughout the term. That's all from me. Thank you.